Well, I think I finally figured it out. I installed this antenna back here on the rack of my Toyota, and SWR was bad, 1.5 to 1. And somebody said, did you ground it out? So I grounded it out. That didn't change anything. I ran these bolts through the bed because this is some kind of whatever, Teflon, some kind of plastic, but I ran the bolts through the bed to see if that'd change anything, and it didn't. And I was like, well, maybe it's the antenna. It's a 5-foot antenna, and you lose, what, maybe a foot? But anyways, I was like, okay, there's something wrong here. And early this morning, a lot earlier, I got to looking, and the little Teflon bushing that goes here is underneath. So I was like, okay, maybe that's grounding the antenna out. So I'm gonna take this off, and I found another bushing off of another antenna mount. This is why I never throw anything away. Anyways, I'll take it apart and see if I can fix this problem. And I'll be back shortly. Looks like I dropped the coax. Oh well.